Mulberry Point. No, this is Mulberry Point. This is Hoadley Point. What am I saying, Mulberry Point? Got Mulberry Point because it's on my mind. I think that's where we're going to be heading pretty soon. I haven't been in that direction in a little while. Ah, boy, nice, nice, nice. One of the other things that I like so much about riding this time of year is from a photographic or photography standpoint, the light at times can be absolutely beautiful. Very clean. No haze, no fog, things like that. I was reviewing a piece of video that I shot the other day before I did anything with it in terms of editing, and I was absolutely amazed just how beautiful the light is. Like right here in this particular section of the road, the light behind me, really, really nice. This time of day makes a difference too. Too early in the morning, and very often the sun can be right in the camera lens, depending on which way you turn. So this is nice. Over to my left, there's a new nest that was put up recently. We have a lot of birds of prey around here, ospreys specifically, and they love the marsh area. So this time of year, there are crews that get together and either repair or put up new osprey nests for next year. And there's one back there. It's good to see. I love to see people paying attention to the environment and nature and focused on things that are much more important in life than politics and Hollywood. Do 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 do. Yeah, it feels a little colder than when I took off this morning. It's interesting. I didn't think it was going to get. I thought it was going to actually get a little bit warmer. Anyway, but it's definitely not cold. Don't trust me. It's beautiful, beautiful weather to be out on our bike. But I'm definitely feeling a bit more of a wind. A little bit of a headwind going on here. Yeah, it was a little extra effort on my part, get up that hill. It's funny because you think you're really climbing a hill until you put some gauges in place, or you review some of your stats, your metrics at the end of your ride, and you find out, oh geez, that was a 4% grade. Could have sworn it was like a 10% grade. Well, I think maybe you might have to factor in age groups, your age, to just how difficult something is to ride or to climb. Oh, that's a half nasty little hole. I was just thinking to myself as I started to come down that hill, don't let it run out. Don't just take off. You don't know what shape this road is in. Roads you ride every day, you don't have any trouble zipping down. But right back there was a pretty nice little hole in the road that I'm glad I took it easy coming down and didn't catch it. I haven't been out this way in a long time. Haven't taken Susan in this direction either. I actually think this is somebody's driveway, so Johnson Point. No, this is Jonas Point. Joshua Point. I'll get it right. Joshua Point. How pretty, huh? Oh boy, pretty day. Long Island Sound. This is Joshua Point, or Joshua Cove, one of the two. I think I'll stop and pull out my camera and take a picture for my friends and neighbors up there on Strava.